Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala and today I wanted to replicate this really pretty kind of a soft brown look, and it's a monochromatic makeup look. I'm starting with this D'Alba First Spray Serum and I'm just kind of spraying it over. I just did this look recently and it turned out so pretty. I was kind of just like surprised with the random combo of colors and makeup products that I used, and it just turned out so pretty that I wanted to do it again and put it on camera so you guys can see end result. I'll be using one of the Merit lipsticks and it's the brown one. Like, that one is so pretty if you line it with the right color lip liner. You'd be surprised. Like, I've made a few videos on lip liners and how they can affect your look. I just went in with my Airprez Oatmilk Foundation and Latte. I am headed out the door and I wanted to create this look again because it just was so pretty. So I wanted to recreate it. It kind of gives a little bit of that 90s mood, which is really, really nice. This is the Airprez Arnica concealer in Latte, same shade. I went in with Makeup by Mario as like a chiseling, sculpting look. It's so soft and transparent that you can really create whatever look you want. The blush that I went for this look was actually Maldives by Nars, and it's their really dark highlight. Let me just set the face a little bit before I do that. I'm using this Young Blood powder. Just gonna set all the moisture down so it doesn't overstick. This has a rosy brown tone to it, which is just one of my favorite colors if you want to create that sort of moody look. I like creating those like 90s brown looks. I'll just do lip liner. I'm gonna jump around everywhere. The lip liner is Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 3C. This is the Merit in 1990. I do one swipe on the bottom and it just creates this like perfect, almost like a mauve brown. It's just really pretty. It's not too warm because those warm lipsticks, the Merit lipstick in 1990. It's just so pretty. I just dabbed on a little bit of this. Well, a little bit, and then it like super blinding. So for brows, I used this Air Brow. I am using it all the way through. It's just one of my favorite quick one and done looks. If brows had a one and done, this would be it. Kosas Air Brow in dark brown. Eyeshadow, I went into this palette with this color right there. I'm gonna swipe it. Bring the same color down. This champagne color right there for the inner corner, and this color right down here for over the lid. I used a liner, which is just this any brown. And I went over it with a black liquid liner. Just going over the under eyes with a little bit more powder to set and add a little more coverage under the eyes. All right, guys, this is the look that I came up with. It's a soft brown, soft 90s makeup look. on fair olive skin tone. I hope you guys liked it as much as I do. I think it's so pretty. There's just something about these rosy brown tones that are so beautiful and complementary. You would never even believe that I'm using this. This is a brown as lipstick because it just gives off like a rosy brown, which is so pretty when you pair it with a bit of a rosier, kind of a mauve-y lip liner. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.